Coronavirus cases are continuing to climb in South Dakota.
Today, the State Department of Health announced 240 new cases of COVID-19.
Now, over the past 2 weeks, the rolling average number of daily new cases has increased by nearly 200. That's according to researchers from Johns Hopkins. The state currently ranks third in the country for new cases per capita, with 357 new cases per 100,000 people.
While the numbers are going up, Avera is getting a new opportunity in the fight against COVID-19. The healthcare system has been chosen as a clinical site for studies on experimental antibody therapy to prevent and treat the virus. KELOLAND's Sarah McDonald explains how it all works.
Finding a way to treat and prevent COVID-19 could be beneficial in the fight against the virus. Now, Avera will be participating in 3 Phase 2 and 3 clinical studies evaluating whether a combination of 2 lab-made antibodies can do just that. The clinical studies have already been approved to move forward following positive Phase 1 safety results.
2 of the studies, both the inpatient and the outpatient, are already treating people who are already COVID positive. And so in those cases, we're trying to decrease the severity of their symptoms. If they're in the hospital, their length of stay.
The other study involves people who were exposed to someone with COVID-19.
For those patients, then it's a prevention study to try to keep the virus from entering their cells in the first place. And if they would happen to get it, to keep the severity from getting too bad.
The clinical studies are sponsored by Regeneron Pharmaceuticals.
If it's successful, we've already had experience with it, so as it moves into therapy, approved therapy, which is where the company would like it to go, then we're comfortable with how to give it and administer it. So it gives us kind of a pre-look to make sure it's effective.
To bring these trials to Avera and to this region, I think helps put South Dakota, continue to put South Dakota on the map for high quality research.
In Sioux Falls, Sarah McDonald, KELOLAND News.
Elliott says they are hoping to recruit about 45 to 50 people in all 3 of the studies. Eligible participants must be 18 years or older and live in the Sioux Falls area. You can find more information under this story on KELOLAND.com.